How you about old dog new trick? Aunt Lisa is 72 years old. She does not own a computer. She sent letter told me the day of start event and letter are long gone. And she said it was good and you when I was a girl should be good and home now. Besides, you can teach an old dog new trick, so you can imagine your pride when we got this L from out Lisa. Hi, Ellie and Toad. As you know, I am traveling in April. Are you surprised to get this LI? I bet you are. Well, before I left my vacation, I took some lessons at the Sun Computer Club. I learned how to send a MI. So I am sending to this image. It changed my mind. You can teach an old dog new trick. Love, I'm Lisa. Thank you, Jimmy. It all sick time. Bye.